Hello everyone, I am Shamitu Kalugalaki. Welcome to my YouTube presentation. Today I will show you my personal portfolio website. I create this using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and use normalized and font awesome libraries to improve appearance and consistency. My portfolio is unique because it is designed as a two-panel layout. The left section is fixed and always visible, and the right section is scrolled to show different content. On a mobile and tablet view, the layout is fully responsive. The left section move to the top and right section scroll below. This gives a clean and user-friendly experience on all screen sizes. This is the home section. You can see my profile image and name here. If someone want to contact with me, they can use the social media icons. You can click and visit my Facebook, GitHub, LinkedIn or send me an email directly. If someone want to hire me, they can contact me through LinkedIn. Next is the About section. These sections give me a short introduction about me. This is the Skill section. It shows the technical skills and tools I am familiar with. I have used a clean layout to organize my skill clearly, so it is easy for visitor to understand my strength. Now let me show you the project section. This includes some of the best project I have done. The first one is standalone application developed with JavaFX, Java Programming Fundamental and SQL. The second is Terminal Through POS System, developed with Java and SQL. Third one is Tic-Tac-Toe game. All projects are clickable and you can download the code directly from GitHub by clicking the View button each project. After that, we came to the assignment section. Here I will list the assignment I have completed. Each one has the GitHub repository. If someone wants, they can click to download the source code from my GitHub repository. This section provides my consistency and practical knowledge. This is the contact section. If you want to contact me, you can fill your name, email and message and send it directly from this form. You can also click icon to visit my Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub or email again from here. So this is my complete portfolio website. It is fully responsive, clearly designed and easy to navigate. I have used a modern structure with fixed and scrollable section and follow good UI UX practice. Thank you for watching.